Taixing City Jushuo Packaging Science and Technology Co., Limited, is located in the Wangchao Economic Development Zone, Jiangsu Province. With a well-developed transportation network, the company has over 10 years of experience in the packaging industry, with large-scale production capacity for high-strength PET strapping production lines, 5 PP strapping production lines, and 2 sets of advanced solid-state polymerization equipment ensure that the performance of reinforced PET is significantly improved. With an annual production capacity of over 20,000 tons, it is a large-scale professional manufacturing factory of PP strapping and PET strapping in China. Empower with technology and define new standards for packaging materials. Pastiso quality system, environmental management system, energy system certification. Jushuo trademark complies with the intellectual property management certification. The company has obtained a number of invention patents, from raw material inspection, quality process management, to automated production. Achieve full chain control. High-strength PET strapping series features excellent comprehensive performance, environmental friendliness, diverse surface treatments, and customizable application scenarios. Cotton PET straps, chemical fiber packaging straps, high-strength packaging strap series for metal industry are high-strength, durable, environmentally friendly and economical are widely used. PP strapping series features high tensile strength and stable performance. Customized specifications ranging from 5 to 19 millimeters. Compatible with various automatic strapping machines and meets the diverse needs of global customers. The imported Italian screen changer is adopted to achieve screen changing without stopping the machine. Advanced cold drawing process enhances the tensile strength of the product. The unique screw design of the extruder makes the product highly resilient and has high plasticizing rigidity. The company is equipped with precise testing instruments to accurately measure various performance indicators of packing straps. 6 inspection procedures ensure that the qualified rate of finished products is over 99%. Jushuo Packaging responds quickly within 24 hours and customizes in all dimensions, including materials, colors and sizes, winning the cooperation and support of domestic and foreign brand customers, serving markets in over 100 countries and regions around the world. Jushuo Packaging drives development with technology and expands globally with quality, becoming an outstanding manufacturer of strapping bands in China.